This is Freddie here, and I just completed my 6th session about a little less than 2 weeks ago, so I'm pretty much healed up. Let's see, let's talk about this first. Let's talk about the actual tattoo and the removal, and then I'm going to ask you guys a couple questions on what I should do. But anyway, okay, first zoom in. You can see here, look at these spots are completely gone. My pigment is going back to normal. That part was initially red, turned white, but that one looks like it's going back to normal. But that part of the tattoo is completely gone. All right, and here, part of the clover is completely gone. Like you can see, it's still a little pink, and initially it was red. And it looks like it's gonna. Initially it looks like it's gonna scar, but nothing really is permanently scarred so far. And my pigment seems to be coming back in all the places where it looked like it wasn't. All right, and then let me show you down here. So you can see that part is almost completely gone. This part of the tattoo, you can see parts are completely gone. All right. And that's it. And then I've seen other videos of let me make one point about this top part. This top part was a cover up, so it has double the ink, and I think it's coming out. The ink is coming out pretty nicely. And let's see, what I was gonna say. Okay. Now later on in this video, or before, I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna show you before and after pictures like I usually do. And I was gonna ask you guys a question, and please leave in the comments. I was wondering if I should just wait for another 2 sessions, because I don't know, like I feel like doing the same update is kind of like monotonous, so maybe I should wait 2 sessions. And I'm also thinking about waiting 8 weeks between this next session, because from what I've read, that the longer you wait, the more ink will get released into your system. But anyway, that's about it. So like I said, I'll show some before and after pictures, and once again, please subscribe if you haven't, and like this video, and let me know if you want me to wait 2 sessions, so then that means I wouldn't be back for another 2 months. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.